how to buy Bio Protocol token. So this token came under the symbol of Bio. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral codes down in the description and get free money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral codes. Simply use the codes below, find your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So to be able to buy this token in the Binance, go and find it on CoinMarketCap. It's available there. And after that, click on markets here. And as you can see, this is the exchange platforms for example. If you want to buy it on Binance, click on this pair link, and it will redirect you to the Binance trade page. So as you can see, make sure to log in to your account. I confirm, just click on or close it. Now, as you can see here, you will be able to buy this token. So as you can see, you can buy it from here. Go and if you select the limit, now drag this to set how much the percentage that you want to buy of your USDT. And as you can see, this is how much you will buy of the Bio. After that, click on buy now and you will buy it now. If you select the market, you will drag this to set how much of USDT, of percentage of USDT that I want to buy, the USDT that you have on your account, of course. And as you can see, this is how much you will receive. And after that, click on buy and you will buy it on your Binance. So this is how to buy Bio Protocol token in Binance. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.